In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed links in Quip. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain text and URLs into clean, clickable hyperlinks that make your documents easier to read and navigate. First, let's talk about why this matters. Hyperlinks keep your pages tidy and help readers jump directly to relevant resources, whether that's a website, another Quip document, a folder, or even a specific section within a doc. Instead of dropping long, messy URLs into your writing, you can attach them to meaningful phrases that make your content more professional and easier to understand. Here's the simplest approach. Write the sentence you want, then highlight the specific words you want to turn into a link. With that text selected, paste the URL. Quip automatically converts your selected words into a hyperlink. You'll see the text styled like a link, and when clicked, it will open in your browser. This method works for external websites, internal Quip documents, folders, and links that jump to a particular section. Just make sure you're pasting the correct URL for what you want to reference. There's also a quick method if you prefer to drop the full address into your document. Paste the complete URL, something like https:/example.com, and Quip will often recognize it and make it clickable right away. If it doesn't appear linked immediately, try adding a space or moving the cursor to the next line to let Quip format it. Once it's active, you or your readers can click it to open the page in a browser. A few practical tips will help your links look and work their best. Use clear, descriptive anchor text like project plan or team folder rather than pasting the raw URL. It keeps your document readable and helps people understand where they're going before they click. When linking to something inside Quip, copy the document, folder, or section URL directly from Quip so your link points to the exact place you intend. If you're using a section link, make sure the URL you paste includes the part that targets that section. Finally, give your links a quick test. Click them to confirm they open the right destination and that everything is accessible to your audience. A fast check now saves confusion later. That's all you need to embed links in Quip. Highlight and paste to link specific words or paste a full URL and let Quip make it clickable. Keep your text descriptive, verify the target, and your documents will be clear, connected, and easy to navigate.